Flying right by, you just frame, you can make sure your camera's wound. In fact, you're going to get the whole loose. So let's get it with the bamboo and make it easier when you have to. Let's move some of this. Come stand right out here. Let me move some of the things that are going to be in the background that won't look good. Come stand right out here. Stand right here. No, they won't touch you. All right. Just stand right here. Okay, you ready? Get ready with the camera. Wind it. You only get one chance. Don't take the picture until I tell you, okay? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Release it up. Don't take it yet. Wait. Now! Are you okay? We owe her a new camera. We owe her a new camera. Tell you what, hang on a second. Chris, can you why don't you get a towel in the back? Will you go sleep?